Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. By the way, I have also made videos on iQOO 7 Legend and Mi 11X. If you not already watched them, I will leave the links to those in this description box and here in the second section, so you can watch it from there. By the way, in this Mi 11X Pro mobile comes with a lot of features which I will explain you in this video. Let's start with the display size. First of all, this Mi 11X Pro mobile comes with a 6.67 inches of full HD plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 certified display, and it is a display protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, not Victus. And this mobile will comes with a latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G 5nm base processor, and it is a octa-core processor clocked at 3.1 GHz. And when we talk about the variants, this mobile will be available in two variants. Mostly those are 8GB RAM 128GB and 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants with no expandable memory. Yeah, by the way, these are UFS 3.1 storages along with the LPDDR5 RAM types. And when we talk about the cameras, this is a major section where we have to take a look. This mobile comes with a triple cameras, but it has a monstrous camera setup. 108 megapixels of main wide angle camera, and it is a Sony Samsung HM2 sensor which can take the videos up to 8K 30 fps. And it also comes with a 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, and it also comes with a 5 megapixels of ultra wide telescopic zoom camera. It also acts as a macro camera. And for the front facing selfie camera, yeah, it does comes with a 20 megapixels of decent selfie camera, and it can shoot up to 1080p 60 fps. And when we talk about the battery, to power up this beast mobile, we need a bigger battery. This mobile comes with a 4520 mAh of battery. I would say that is a decent amount of battery, and it also comes with a decent amount of fast charge, that is 33 watts of fast charge. But this mobile does not support any wireless charge or reverse wireless charge, but this supports wired reverse charge. That means you can charge this another mobile from this mobile via wire up to 2.5 watts, so that is a plus point, I think. And this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.1 features, and this mobile also comes with a side mounted fingerprint scanner. I don't know why Xiaomi is keep giving the side mounted fingerprint scanner, even the AMOLED display, even the mobiles having the AMOLED display. I think this is a money saving trick. By the way, this mobile also comes with a type support and speaker grill at the bottom. This mobile has a high-res audio certification also, and this mobile supports comes with the stereo speakers, and this mobile does not have 3.5mm jack. When we talk about the box contents, that means this mobile comes with a charger, transparent case, and also a cable inside the box, that is a Type-C cable. So this mobile price will be around 40,000 rupees. The question is here that will you buy a Xiaomi mobile at that amount of price when you have the competitors like iQOO 7 Legend and everything? So tell me in the comment section down below which do you prefer, iQOO 7 Legend or Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. By the way, this mobile also comes with a glass back and glass front and metal frame. This mobile, I will give the links to this mobile in the description box down below, so you can buy it from there directly. And this mobile also comes with a IR blaster. Yeah, that is a common thing in any Xiaomi mobile, and this mobile will be available in 3 colors. Mostly I will leave those colors in the description box down below also. So that's it for the video, and subscribe to the channel.